Let's go, Efteling! You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here at Efteling, guys. It's actually my birthday, and I always come to Efteling around my birthday because I get this little email pop up, obviously in my emails, and no other theme parks actually do that. It's always a nice gesture. It just pops up saying, birthday present from Efteling, here's a discount, and it's only about 3 or 5 quid, but you know, it's the gesture. I know it's an automated system, but it's a very, very cool little system that they have in place. Anyway, guys, the last time we were here was for Danse Macabre's opening day. You've probably seen me wear this hoodie in loads of vlogs, so we really cannot wait to get back on it.
You live in that.
On our trip to Toverland yesterday, it was completely dead. We thought we might be in luck with Efteling, but that never happens, unfortunately, guys. This is one of the most busy theme parks in Europe. As you can see, they've now got the hotel up over there. It does kind of ruin the aesthetic of the entrance, I think, there. And if you have looked at prices online, guys, oh my god, it is extortionate. Such an iconic entrance. I love it, guys. I'm a bit worried, actually. It does look quite busy. Uh-oh, it's busy. The hotel still has construction walls, so it's not quite finished yet, but pretty much there now. So Efteling have their own crowd calendar on their website, guys, and it said it was a normal day. The opening times are 10 till 6 at the moment, so I'm a little bit confused as to why there's so many people. So on the entrance there, guys, they asked for ID for the birthday ticket, and I thought, oh, okay, fair enough. I wasn't sure if it was just to test the ticket, but they were only asking because you get a little badge if it's actually your birthday when you get here. So it's nice little touches, isn't it? Oh, I'm scared to see the queue, but I've been so excited to get back on this thing, guys. Danse Macabre. Absolutely incredible attraction. If you class it as a dark ride, it's probably the best one in Europe. Clearly there's still a lot of hype for it, guys. I didn't think the queue was going to be this long. It's kind of like opening day, to be honest. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, Danse Macabre has gone down. That's a shame. Okay, I'm not going to moan because I've never seen a ride go down ever at Efteling, have you? That's the first time.
Parks.
Oh, so they've got this entrance to the other part of the park closed, which means it's a long walk around the side. It's all going a little bit wrong here. Oh no, guys, we've never had an Efteling vlog where we've moaned about ops, have we? Danse Macabre is down. They've got that path closed off. It's really busy, and for some reason they're running 10 till 6 opening times. Hopefully we can salvage the day. Okay, Python doesn't look too bad, so I guess this is what we're going to have to do. We've just noticed, guys, they're only running 1 train ops on Python. Jacob's saying there the lift hill needs a jet wash.
It's really old.
Definitely not Efteling standards today. What's going on? So even though Python was on 1 train there, guys, it was quite fast, to be honest. And I think they've sped up the lift hill. We're not sure if they've sped it up or if it's just because it's 1 train ops at the moment. Coming over here, guys, we did hear that the Flying Dutchman was closed because they're apparently adding a new scene, but we thought it would be done by now. So that's a shame. That's closed. Danse Macabre's closed. The Half Moon's closed. Python's on 1 train. They've blocked that area off over there so you can't walk between Baron and here. This is a bit of a nightmare. Okay, Joris and Draak apparently on 35 minutes, so that could be a saviour there. We always go red. Red's better. Okay, so ops were flying there on Joris and Draak, the dueling Woody. We didn't win, did we? When we were on it, it's absolutely flying today, guys. When we were on it there, they've added quite a bit of Titan track to it, and when you change from the wooden to the Titan track, man, that was a high-pitched squeak, wasn't it? It was horrible. It really hurt my ears. It just made me cringe. But yeah, that was awesome. That's put us in a bit of a better mood now. Got a little chocolate drink there. They gave us 2 toppings because it's my birthday. That was nice of them. This is really strange. I quite like it though. You like it, you say? Got it all over your face there. He's enjoying it. Looks like Danse Macabre's open, thank God for that. Everything about this attraction, guys, is just perfect. We're getting straight back on it, aren't we? Pretty cool. We're going to see if we can get a better seat. I think the stalls, that was the weakest seat, number 4 you say. I think a lot of people say that's the best.
I don't know.
1 and 2, I reckon. That's what we thought last time, so we're going to try and get that. I think the front row is actually better than the back on the stalls as well. Anyway, guys, awesome attraction. If you haven't been on it yet, definitely get to Efteling to give it a go. So we just went back on Danse Macabre, guys. That's the 2nd time we've been on it today, and I'm so glad we did. That was so much better, wasn't it? We got stall 5 that time. Was it 5?
No, 3.
Oh, stall 3, sorry. We had stall 4, I think it was, before. And it was still awesome, as we said a minute ago, but just didn't hit the same as it did last time until we did stall 3 there at the back. That was great, wasn't it? Oh, it's such a good attraction, guys. Okay, we just walked past Max and Moritz. It's only got a 5-minute queue apparently, guys, so definitely got to give that a go. Okay, as you know guys, if you watch the channel, me and Jacob are quite nerdy with the theme parks, and we really like the music. The music for Efteling is great, and there's one track that we can't really find, so we're going to try this because we've never actually been on it. It's like the little kids monorail here. It's Efteling, so there's probably some really cool theming, except for that scaffolding over there and whatever's broken. But I just want to see what song's in here so we know what it is. Okay, it doesn't seem to have any music, but what the hell is this thing?
Finding more and more.
We find something different every time we come to Efteling, guys. Looks like there's like a little kids' playground or something down here. There's just so much to do here, it's crazy. We've been here quite a few times now, haven't we? And we're still finding stuff. No, there's another bin. Hello, hello, papier here. Carnival Festival's only 15 minutes there. As much as I love it and we always go on it for a joke, just want to have a look at Vogel Rock. That's a big egg. I don't think I've ever been this far back in the queue. This might look horrible, guys, but it is actually moving pretty quickly. Vogel Rock's flying today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Better towards the front, I'd say.
Yeah.
It's impossible to do Efteling in a day, isn't it? So we're doing a lot of attractions we haven't done before. We've never been on these. They look like they were spinning really fast, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this used to be a teacup ride and they had to re-theme it because everyone said it was racist. I never actually saw it, did you? Yeah, let's give this a go. It looks quite fun. Oh, is this a contender for the best one? Ow. Cheers. I'm so glad we did those. They were good, weren't they? I was about to say they were the best, and then Jacob was like, Drayton Manor, the old blasting barrels at Drayton Manor are still #1, but I went flying on those. I've never gone flying on a teacup before. So 15 minutes for Carnival Festival. Jacob wants to do it because he loves the song so much.
Yeah, it's catchy.
I don't know. Have a look at the cattle pen. It says 15. It looks longer than 15 to me. I'll tell you what, we'll time it. So the current time is... Oh, there you go. 15 minutes to clear the cattle pen. We're nearly there. Only about 2 or 3 minutes more. Not bad.
That is very accurate, please.
You had your Carnival Festival fix there.
Yeah.
We actually got through it a full lap for once, because usually they load the disabled people halfway through and it stops for like 2 minutes, but we actually got the full lap that time, didn't we? This is the Villa Volta Vekoma Madhouse for Efteling, guys. What do you reckon?
I love the song.
I think it's one of my favourite ones, honestly.
Yeah.
The way they Efteling do things is, same as Dance Macabre. Wait, hold up, what am I talking about? Monster Party at Legoland Windsor, oh, absolute best. Dreamvlug's got a 25-minute queue. We're going to leave that today. We've done it quite a few times. I'm not doing POVs today, guys. If you check out the last vlog, you'll probably see all the Efteling POVs because we come here so much, don't we?
Yeah, we love it.
Usually in summer, guys, they have all the ferries and everything in this area. So if you are coming, I'd probably just wait a little bit longer to summer, even though it really feels like it at the moment, doesn't it? We're going to have a hot summer this year because if spring's like this, then... I'm not too sure what this is, guys. It looked like it might be an attraction. I think we walk past usually, there's like a mini figure thing in there, which is quite cool, but I don't know. If you notice, guys, we haven't actually been to Baron yet. I'm not too fussed about it, are you?
Not really.
It is a dive machine. It's probably one of the best dive machines out there, well themed anyway. My personal favourite, Sheikah at Busch Gardens, but yeah, we come...
Oblivion for its drop.
Oblivion for its drop. It's not too much about all the big coasters here, really, is it? There's so much more to this park. I don't know what this is, though. It's strange. Okay, I never knew this was here. What is going on? This is Efteling, guys. I don't actually know how many times I've been, but we've been a lot, and I've never seen this before. That just looks really old. Awesome. It smells really old in here as well. Okay, I've never been on that. That was a bit crazy, wasn't it? I'd love to know how old it is. They have quite a few members of staff in there, don't they? I think there's about 4 or 5 stood around the carousel as it goes round, so maybe they've had some accidents on it in the past, or just because it's old, I suppose. Okay, Symbolica on 5 minutes. Definitely can't say no to that one. Jacob just saying there, you can't come to Efteling and not do Symbolica. Yeah, I think that's changed now. I think that's Dance Macabre now. You definitely got to do that, haven't you? We've done it twice today.
Now we're not fussed about Baron because of it.
Not too fussed about Baron because of it, yeah. See, if you've obviously been watching the vlog, guys, at the beginning of the vlog, you saw how busy it was. We thought we were going to have a bad day. Now there's 5-minute queues for attractions. Yeah. See, Efteling know how to do it. Why can't they do it in the UK? They need heavy loaders. You know, Curse of Autumn Manor, a great ride, but it's got a 5-minute queue because they've only got one of them. Get more flat rides in, get more dark rides in.
Loader.
Oblivion's a big loader, yeah, this is true. You know, as I say, more flat rides, guys. more dark rides, and you end up with theme parks like this,
Yeah,
you know.
high capacity roller coasters.
Parks that kind of actually care about what the people think when they come into them. There's a lot we've missed today, guys, but let's face it, you know where we're going back to.
We love it.
We got the same seat that time, so we're just going round again. Oh, they've closed off the gates there. Pretty much straight into the pre-show, guys. That's crazy. So we've just been lapping Danse Macabre there. I think we've done it about 4 times now, haven't we? Awesome. We got row 6 out. We got stall 6 there. Sorry, I think number 3 is the best, actually. To be fair, it's been the best today, anyway. So we're going back to Max and Moritz. We're going to try Max this time, I think. Fair enough. Okay, Moritz is better, but I think that's a long queue there, so we might as well just go Max. So we managed to get on Fata Morgana just before they closed the park gates and all the queues there. Thought we might as well. That's probably the best run through of Fata Morgana I've had there. A lot of money's been spent on it, and a lot of effects I've never seen before have started working. So that's pretty cool, wasn't it? So we've just got Aquanaria now, guys. Obviously it is a lot better at night, isn't it? But it is definitely the perfect end to an amazing day at Efteling. Oh my god, guys, they have absolutely transformed Aquanaria. It was closed last time we were here. I completely forgot they were doing stuff to it.
Refurbing it, like the lanterns.
Refurbing it, yeah, they've got lanterns on the frogs there, as Jacob says. There's new smoke effects. All of the fountains are working. They've got a new song. I don't know how many cycles it's got. That'd be for your locals to answer that question. But didn't have Filavalt or a Flying Dutchman on that one. But it's a lot longer, and it includes more songs around the park, which helps you reflect on your day.
Oh, the Danse Macabre bit was brilliant.
Danse Macabre bit was brilliant. Oh my god, guys, such a good day. And they've really done a good job with that. It's Disney level. We do moan about Disney. We don't think Disney's perfect. They're very good. One thing they do, and I can't fault them on, is shows. And Efteling have completely transformed that to basically Disney level. Oh my god, what a good day. Yeah. Brilliant. We had a really bumpy start there, guys, but it has been awesome. As I say, and I've said many times, if you haven't been to Efteling, it's only 4 hours away from Calais. If you live close to Dover, it's really not hard to get to. And if you haven't done it, you really have to come down and give it a go. So if you did enjoy today's video, guys, don't forget hitting that subscribe button. Really helps this channel out, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.